Can I put you on speaker to the fans? All right. All right. There's Phil's on the phone, everybody. What do you want to say, Phill, to everybody?
Well, Mike, I'm very disappointed in what you did the other day.
Oh,
very disappointed.
It's already been cleared. Yep, I've talked to everybody.
Yeah, but you're not. I don't think of you as being a sexist person.
Sexist? That's not a sexist at all. Yes, I love everybody, but they want to just.
You do seem to like everybody, but I just want to know. I want you to know I'm very disappointed.
I appreciate it. Listen, I've apologized many times on the stream.
Oh shit! It's probably my turn now.
No, it's not yet. 40 more seconds, Phill. 40 more seconds you got.
I just folded ace jack the last hand, Mike.
Tell me how that went.
I think it's a move. I have 12 big blinds.
Okay,
you have me on your screen, so it's the very last hand we played.
I was talking to the people. Was it an open and a full? Where'd they open from?
Bro, it was me. I was second to act. I just folded ace jack.
Oh, second to act up front.
How many seconds do I have, Mike?
17 seconds you got, Phill. Say something to the fans before you go. You got 13 seconds. Good luck, Phill.
I got disconnected.
I'm sending you positivity. Later. Okay, Phil's up in the screen. We're gonna give him a little watch, a little Phill watch party here for everybody. A little Phill watch party. I don't know. I disagree. Anyways, I'm going to just commentate on Phil's little 10 big blind stack. Phill, I mean, I think you got to defend 10,000 here. I like to defend. I'm Phill here. I'm going to check it. Maybe anything. This guy's going to bet it.
I raised pre-flop. King 4 offsuit.
He might double up here.
Phill just called 10,000
like,
more.
The guy don't have ace
or
king.
15,000 more.
I don't even understand how Phill plays.
With ace 3 offsuit. Then Phill bets 10,000 on the flop.
Right about now. I don't think he's check folding. 86.
He checks the turn where he should have pushed all in.
I do believe Phill has a pretty big hand here.
It's a blank, so you have to push there.
I'm telling you, he's got a big hand.
No, he bets. What does he bet?
I know Phill. This guy's got a good shot at doubling up.
16,000 he bets.
They just don't even understand. Oh God,
why would you push? He only left himself with 70,000. 306 ace hits. He hits his ace, he's
this
done.
Other guy just has to have a king. Unless Phill has one. Nah, that's just a terrible, terrible card for Phill. Guy's gonna move in for sure. Just such a bad card. Oh my God, what did Phill do? How does he call? What is he doing?
Snap
my God.
Intuition.
I like the bet on the flop. I like the bet on the turn. But the guy obviously has a king.
And Phil's gone.
The guy moves in. How do you call there? Oh my God. I'm sorry. That was a Phill blow.